This is your fair note, children. First bit, fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank. The invention of dash made it possible for man to have different means of transport. Answer, wheel. Second fill in the blank. The routes that connect the different countries of the world are called dash routes. International. Third one, the wheel was first used in dash cards. Fourth one, many parts of the world are crisscrossed by dash many highways. Fifth one, the famous highway of America is called dash Alaskan Highway. Sixth one, dash are the chief means of transportation of bulk goods on land railways. Seventh one, railways began with the invention of dash steam engine. Eighth one, the longest railway line in the world is the dash of Russia, Trans-Siberian. Ninth one, Indian railway stand dash in the world in transportation. Second. Tenth one, the metro system is found in dash in our country, Kolkata, Delhi. 11th one, early man used dash to float on water, logs. 12th one, dash or ships which have no regular routes. Answer, tramps. 13th one, dash ships sail along definite route, cargo. 14th one, dash carry passengers, parcels and mails. Answer, luxury liners. 15th one, dash carry oil to different parts of the world. Answer, oil tankers. 16th one, dash carry heavy loads of food, coal, timber, etc. Answer, freighters. Freighters. Next, 17th one, India has dash major seaports. 10. A dash can reach any port of the world within a limited time. Answer, flight. 19th one, the first successful flight took place in the year 1903. 20th one, air transport is expensive because it consumes much fuel. First bit fill in the blank is over. Now second bit, answer the following questions in a sentence or two each. First question, what do we mean when we say that we are living in a small world today? Answer, the world that we live in is becoming smaller and smaller. That means improving means of transport and communication have brought the different parts of the world closer. Next, second question. Why is it essential to have international links? Answer. International connections make exports and imports possible. It is essential to exchange surplus goods with other countries. Third question. What are highways? Where do we find them? Answer. When you go by bus or car from one state to another, you can observe well surfaced wide roads. These roads are called highways. Fourth one, what are freeways and flyovers? Answer, freeways are broad roads where traffic moves freely at a high speed. Flyovers are roads which are built over other roads like a bridge. Fifth question, how do railroads help us? Railways are the chief means of transportation for bulk goods on land. The railway wagons carry raw materials in large quantities to industrial areas. Sixth one, what is metro system? Answer, in Kolkata and New Delhi, we can find the railway system known as metro. Seventh question, why is travel by sea an important means of transportation? Answer, travel by sea has always been a very important means of transportation between countries. Today, goods are mostly carried by powerful diesel ships which travel at high speed on ocean roads. Next, last question, children. What are the advantages of travel by air? Answer. An aeroplane can travel across mountains, dense forests, deserts, and oceans with matchless speed. So, these all the question and answers you have to write in your social fair notes very neatly without spelling mistakes.